Hey guys, Julie here. Today we're going to make some tortilla burgers with a green chili sauce. So I'm going to start with the sauce, and we'll just go ahead and put some oil in a pan. And I put about a tablespoon, and then we'll go ahead and add some onion and some garlic. We'll let that saute for a little bit and then start adding in cayenne pepper, cumin and oregano. And I'm going to add the flour as well. Mix that really well. And then we'll add our broth. And last but not least, I'm putting some green chili in there and a little bit of tomato. We'll just mix those in, and then we'll go ahead and put the lid back on the pan and let it simmer for a few minutes and get the burgers ready. Okay, and while that sauce is thickening up, we'll go ahead and start seasoning the ground beef. I'm just going to put some hamburger seasoning, garlic salt, a little bit of chili powder, and pepper. We'll mix that really well. I'm just going to roll them into these small patties, and I'm going to make kind of like an oblong shape. That way, when I press it down onto the pan, it'll fit the tortilla. And we'll go ahead and throw the burgers on the grill. Okay, obviously it's not a grill, but it gets the job done. And it's a little bit messy. There's always grease all over, but the grease is actually going to be beneficial, and I'm going to show you why. So we'll go ahead and just move the patties over to the side, and then we're going to take a tortilla and place it onto the skillet. And we'll take one of those patties, put it onto the tortilla, and we're going to add a slice of cheese, fold it over, and move it to the side. And we'll do that with the rest of the patties and just move them over. And the tortillas are just going to soak up that grease, but we're also going to use that grease just to basically cook the tortillas, and they get super crispy and delicious. So we'll let them cook on one side and then flip them over, let them warm up for a little bit more. And as you can see, they're nice and crispy, and once they're all done and the cheese is melted, we'll go ahead and transfer them onto a plate. And they look so good, but we're going to add a couple extras. So I have some shredded lettuce here, and we'll just open up each taco burger basically, and we'll put some lettuce in there. And then we also have that sauce that we made, and we're going to just put a little bit in each one. And I have a little bit of elote that I made as well, and I'll be posting the video on how I make that next, and then we get to enjoy. Alright, now we get to eat these, and the sauce is literally so good that I went ahead and put just a little bowl on the side. That way you can just dip it. I mean, I put so much sauce in there already, but you can't have that. Mmm. Mmm. This sauce is so good. I did put a whole teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So the green chilies that I currently have don't have much heat to them, so I added the cayenne, and it gave it that right amount of kick without taking away from the flavor. I'll put the details down below. Like and subscribe.